guys, it's me again, Maria. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, I will be showing you how you can dub your content, your video into many different languages using 11 Labs AI. Okay, you can use many languages. So, for example, you're using English and you want this content to be, translated in like Japanese, Chinese, or whatever languages, because they have 29 languages. Go to 11labs.ai and click the dubbing tool over there, and I'll show you guys in this tutorial where is it, and then how you can dub your content into other language using 11labs. And this is a free tool, guys, but you can upgrade if you want to use more words aside from free. I think that's a free tool that you can use, but you are only allowed to use 10,000 words to get that free account. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, I'll show you guys how I do it, and let's do some sample dubbing to other language inside of this video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do this. All right, guys, so now we are on 11 Labs. So I'm going to show you guys how you can dub your content into a different language. So as you see here, the speech synthesis. So there are projects, dubbing, voice lab, voice library, and everything else here. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can dub your language into other languages. So to do that, here is the dubbing. Okay, click the dubbing. And then here you can translate your content across 29 languages, okay, with voice translation, speaker detection, and audio dubbing. So here on the title, you're gonna write the title of your content. So let's say test. Okay, I'm just gonna say test, or it's optional, it doesn't matter if you want to write. So my language is English, so it's already detected, and here you're gonna select the language that you want to translate for your video. So here I'm gonna say let's translate it in Japanese, since I'm here in Japan, so I can speak Japanese, so I'm gonna choose Japanese. And then here you can upload your video into your device, or any video that you have on YouTube, TikTok, or whatever platform here. So I'm going to use the YouTube, okay, and then I'm going to paste the URL that I want to translate. Okay, go to your YouTube Shorts and then choose the video that you want. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm going to copy the URL of this video. Okay, so just copy. And then let's go back to AI dubbing, and here, guys, you paste the URL of that short video. I'm gonna paste it here, and then there you go. So advanced setting, let's click what is this, number of speakers. Okay, so just leave it like that. Exact time range for the dubbing. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use all of it, and then you're gonna create the create. Okay, then click the create, and let's see how it sounds like. Alright, so now it's already dubbed and you can download it and view. So let's view the download video.
こんにちは、皆さん、片入り私です。今日は別の開封ビデオを作成して、このパッケージの中身を皆さんにお見せします。それではこれ以上待たせずにこれを開けてみましょう。さて、ここにいます。話題の手に入れました。これは私
Right, guys, you see, I'm speaking Japanese, even though I'm not the one who's speaking. I'm not the one who's, talking about that. But I'm the one who's talking it, but I don't speak Japanese. But as you look at my mouth, it sounds like I'm the one talking, right?
Hola chicos, soy Mega María. En este video, chicos, quiero compartir con ustedes cómo pueden usar el doblaje, características dentro de 11 Amores.
Oh my god, I can speak Spanish, guys, but look at that, okay? You can play with yourself, guys. Try with the other language aside from Spanish or German or whatever. So just play around with this. They have 29 languages that you can try to dub your...
Esta es mi primera vez, así que realmente no sé qué decir. Solo quiero decir algo para que puedas probarlo.
Oh my goodness, it's so fun. So try this, guys. I just want to share it with you guys. So if you are interested to use 11 Labs for your dubbing, then go ahead, guys, just create an account or sign in. It's free, and I think their pricing, I know that I can see the pricing here. The pricing, I think, is zero for free. I think that's only for 10,000 words, and $1 for a month, and $11 for if you want to upgrade more. So just play around these guys, and go to the pricing, and you will see how much it costs for your subscription. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. And why don't you try? Go to 11 Labs and create a video. Use the dubbing features. Then you can, use 29 language. Translate your video into many languages. Try for it, guys. It is free. You can create a free sample. Then if you like it, then you can subscribe for $1 to $11 per month. It depends on how many words that you want to use for your videos. And then let me know down the comments, guys, what's your input, or what are you thinking about 11 Loves to help you to use to create a content. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for all your support. To my subscribers, you're always here. Thank you so much. For my new subscriber, thank you so much too for subscribing to my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. Okay, so see you next time, guys, and bye for now.